Rusty Bucket Restaurant and Tavern, we've worked hard for over 17 years to deliver great food and drinks by great people every single day. To expand on that promise, we've developed an industry-leading technology. Introducing RB Air. Our engineer and chef teams have been working tirelessly in collaboration to bring drone delivery to you. RB Air is going to lead the way. By launching RB Air at all locations, our guests can enjoy our food at the comfort of their home or work. This transformational technology is available to any guests within 5 minutes of their bucket. From the time you order to the time your food arrives is less than 20 minutes. Don't wait. Place your order today at myRBAir.com.